If you have opened Task Manager on your Windows PC and noticed something using a ridiculous amount of CPU and your laptop is suddenly getting hot, the fan is running constantly and your battery is draining much faster than normal, there's actually a pretty simple reason this can happen. And more importantly, there's one fix that Windows users are reporting as actually working. So in this video, I will show you exactly what to change, why it works and what to do if the first fix doesn't solve the problem. So let's get started. Recently, a lot of Windows 11 users have been noticing a process called CrossDeviceService.exe running in the background. Normally, this process is related to Windows cross-device features. Things like connecting your phone to Windows, phone link, and allowing Windows to interact with your mobile device. The problem is, something this process goes completely crazy. You might say it using 10%, 20%, or even more CPU continuously. And because it's running all the time, you can also notice higher fan noise, much more heat, slower battery life, and generally higher power consumption. The obvious thing to do is open Task Manager, right click the process, and end it. But unfortunately, that's usually not a real solution. Windows can simply start the process again. So what we actually want to do is cross-device service to constantly work in the first place. And this is where the fix gets interesting. The first thing I recommend trying is disabling Show Mobile Device in File Explorer. This is the fix that has received some of the strongest positive reports from affected Windows users. Here's exactly how to do it. Open Windows Settings. Then go to Bluetooth and Devices. Now look for Mobile Devices. Open that. You should see your connected phone listed there. Click on your phone and look for an option called Show Mobile Device in File Explorer. If that option is enabled, turn it off. Now give Windows a little time and open Task Manager again. Look for CrossDeviceService.exe and check your CPU usage. If this was the problem on your system, you should see the CPU usage drop significantly. You can also restart your computer afterward just to make sure everything starts cleanly. Now, you might be wondering why you should showing my phone in File Explorer cause a Windows service to use so much CPU? This is actually the interesting part. Cross-device service is involved in Windows communication with connected devices. When your phone is exposed to Windows through File Explorer, Windows needs to communicate with that device and retrieve information about its files and folders. In reports from affected users, the service appeared to be repeatedly scanning or enumerating files on the connected phone. Basically, Windows keeps asking what's on the phone, why files are there, what's changed, what's available. And if something gets stuck in that process, cross-device service can end up working continuously. So instead of doing a little background work and going idle, it's keep working. And that's when you start seeing that high CPU usage and battery drain. Disabling the File Explorer integration removes that particular activity. And importantly, you don't necessarily have to completely uninstall Phone Link or all cross-device features just to solve the problem. That's why I would try this fix first. Now, what if you turned off that option off and cross-device service is still using a lot of CPU? Don't worry, there's another setting you can try. Go back into Settings. Then Apps. After that, Advanced App Settings. Now look for Share Across Devices. Turn that feature off. After doing that, open Task Manager again and check Cross-Device Service. You can also restart Windows at this point. Open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. Look for anything related to mobile devices. If you don't actually need Windows to start this mobile device's features automatically, you can disable the startup entry. This doesn't necessarily remove the feature from Windows. It simply prevents it from automatically starting with Windows. Again, restart your PC afterward and check whether cross-device service is still causing high CPU usage. Now, there are also a much more aggressive solution that some users have reported using. This should be your last resort. If you don't use phone link or Windows cross-device features at all, you can remove the cross-device package using PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator. Then type this script and press enter. This removes the cross-device package. Removing this package means that some cross-device functionality can stop working. For example, feature connected to phone link or Windows mobile device integration may no longer work. And Windows Update can potentially reinstall components later. So I would not recommend starting here. Try the setting-based solution first. One more thing, don't assume that cross-device service is always the cause of your battery drain, just because you see it in the task manager. If your CPU usage is normal and your battery is still draining quickly, there could be another process responsible. So check task manager first. Look at the CPU column and see what's actually consuming resources. If cross-device service is sitting at unusually high CPU usage for a long period while you are doing basically nothing, then this fix is worth trying. And if you want to take things a step further, I have also covered some advanced Windows tips and optimizations that can help reduce unnecessary background activity, improve performance, and get your PC running more smoothly. So make sure you check those out as well. If this video helped you fix the problem, hit that like button. Subscribe for more practical Windows fixes. And let me know in the comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.